Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a seller account on Aliexpress. So as you can see, this is the official website of aliexpress.com, and just go to this website, open your Chrome or any other browser you use on your laptop or PC, and from here just search Aliexpress and you will find this website. So go to this website, and after that just you will find this section, welcome to sign in and register. So just click on this option, and once you click on this option you will see sign in register. So you have to skip this option and scroll down, and here you will see seller login. So just click on seller login, as we are going to make a seller account. So from here you can sign in with your seller account, or you can just register if you want to make a new account. So let's say we click on register, and from here select your country, whatever your country is. Let's say I have a country of United Kingdom or United States, and enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, let me just complete my email, and after that just they'll send a verification code to your email. As I already have an account on this email, so what you can do is just you need to enter your email address on this section. They will send a verification code, and once they send the verification code, then you need to set up your password. You can read the instructions of the password. 6 to 20 characters only. Use only letters, numbers, and punctuation marks, and include at least two of the following classes like letters, numbers, and punctuation marks, and set your password. Click on I have read the agreed services agreement, and click on register. So once you click on register, you will be able to make your seller account on Aliexpress. So follow this simple and step-by-step process to make your account. Do not go to the first login page I'll show you. Do not go on this section. So just go to seller login, and once you're on seller login, just make sure to sign in or register your account, and you will be able to make your account. So that is a simple process of how you can do it.